Welcome to this marvelously restored historic cabin in the heart of Gatlinburg, Tennessee at 302 Newman Road. This unique property, with easy access to the Parkway and National Park and a short walk to the Greenbrier restaurant, holds its original charm as you enter to the main level, the first of three. Here you'll be greeted by handcrafted stonework, refinished hardwood floors, and a beautiful stone fireplace in the great room adjacent to the kitchen, providing plenty of room to spread out and relax. This updated kitchen is fully equipped and includes wooden countertops and stainless steel appliances. Here's the master bedroom on the main, featuring warm tongue and groove wall construction and centered by this king-size bed. The bath offers a luxurious vanity complemented by a large walk-in shower and accommodating soaking tub. Take the staircase to two additional bedrooms, one with a king-size bed and a queen bed in the other. And head downstairs where you'll find these built-in bunk beds and plenty of couch and chair space to watch your favorite movie. We've also included a mini bar with wine cooler and, of course, plenty of games for the kids at heart. Outside includes a stone patio with Adirondack chairs around a fire pit, a private hot tub, and an area laid out perfectly for cornhole and horseshoes. 302 Newman Road in Gatlinburg, Tennessee offers so much to explore. You must see it today. Call Anthony Seale of Ferguson Realtors direct at 865-438-9456.